Scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection. The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration successful.